Hello and welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create the water bottle hanging tag labels. This concept you can use in any software you're using: Words, Publisher, Design Space, Silhouette, Photoshop, Inkscape, whatever you're using. Just take the shapes and the measurements into that software and you can create these water bottle hanging tags. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is insert your shapes. So we're going to insert a rectangle. We're going to insert a half circle. That's not what it's called, but I'm calling it the half circle. And we're going to insert a circle. Now we're going to change our square to a 4 by 6, 60. That's what it'll be. And 3 inches. I'm going to change my shape fill to no fill. I'm going to move it out the way. Then I'm going to take my half circle and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. And then we're going to change the size. We're going to change it to 3 inches by 2.60 inches. And we're going to change the fill again there. And what I'm going to do is just layer this on top of here. It looks like it's aligned correctly, but if you guys don't get it aligned right, you guys can just highlight both shapes and go to align, and we're going to just right align so it's even. But I figured that I got it even when I placed it there. So we're going to change this fill to no fill, and we're going to move it over here. You guys can see that the line comes up as centered, but again, if you want to center it perfectly, just highlight both of those shapes and align to the center, and it will align it for you. So now we have created our hanging tag template. You want to save it and just save it the name so you know where it's at. So when you want to go and create a new one, you'll have a template for it. So basically, I'm just going to resave it because I already have it saved. And we're going to start designing. So I'm going to insert a photo or my background into my square and into my half circle. I do not want red glitter. Now I'm going to use the same background for my top piece. I'm going to fill this up so I know to cut it when it's time to cut. Now I'm going to insert my photos and wording size your pictures and your images to the size you need. Insert your words. Change your font. Remember, when you design, there's no mistakes, because you can always go back and delete, remove whatever that doesn't look right to you. And I want to center this, so I will make sure I have both of them highlighted and center. I'm going to do the same. Center all three of these. I'm going to group them and find the center. Now that I have my design, I will go over and I will save it. So I will save as, locate the folder you want to save it in, and you want to save it as a publisher file. So in case you need to go make any changes to it, you can quickly make changes to it and you don't have to redo the whole design over. And once you save it as a publisher file, you want to go back and save it as a PDF file when you're ready to print or to send it to a customer or to send it somewhere else to get printed. So I'm going to just here, and then I am going to print, cut, and I'm ready. I'm going to save it again, and I'm ready to print. So just remember, when you're sending it to a customer or you're sending it to a shop to get printed, you want to save it as a PDF file so the customer can't make any changes to it and they can't say it doesn't fit or something went wrong. You want to send it as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. Please like and subscribe.
I said, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't